So you eat right, you exercise, and you still can't get rid of that layer of fat on your tummy.
But now there is a way to say goodbye to the love handles and muffin tops. Our next guest says he can freeze that fat away.
That's right. Dr. Matt Jones is with John Rick Medical Spa and Wellness Center in Charlotte, and he's here to tell us all about cool sculpting. It is wonderful to see you. How are you?
It's always a pleasure. I'm doing great. How are you?
Fine, thank you so much. Tell everybody about cool sculpting, what it is.
So cool sculpting is a non-surgical alternative to liposuction. Okay, it's a way to permanently get rid of that fat that you just can't seem to get rid of in those areas where it doesn't ever want to leave.
Like no matter how many sit-ups you do, that kind of thing. You just still have a little bit of extra.
Everyone up here knows what we're talking about, except maybe you, Gene.
Everybody knows what you're talking about.
That's right.
Well, how does it work?
So we can selectively target fat cells because fat freezes at a warmer temperature than water, right? So you put butter in the fridge and it turns solid. You put water in the fridge and it doesn't, right? So our bodies are primarily water. So we can target those fat cells, freeze them, cause crystallization, and kill the fat cell permanently and make it go away and have your body eliminate it naturally so we don't have to have incisions or needles, no surgery, no downtime. The device draws, as you can see in the animation, the fat up in so that it's selectively cooling that fat, and it doesn't harm the skin or the nerves, arteries, blood vessels, anything like that. The fat cells go into a stage called apoptosis, which is cell death. Your body finds those dead cells, removes them, and you get a reduction in the amount of fat in the area that we treat.
Boom, freeze it right up. Don't you like the
Gone.
sound of that? I love it. What areas of the body can you treat?
We can treat anywhere there's pinchable fat. It's FDA cleared for abdomens, love handles, muffin tops, back fat like bra rolls, inner thighs and outer thighs. There are a few other areas that we can treat that are off-label, but great treatment for anywhere you have pinchable fat.
When you talk about the outer thighs, you use the Cool Smooth applicator for that part of the body?
Right. It's their newest applicator because you can't really pinch the outer thigh. They have a flat applicator that we just strap onto the side of the leg, does the same process. And we can treat those saddlebags now, which is an area that before we couldn't really treat well.
Well, how long? I want to know, how long does this take? Because you got liposuction, you got a lot of things. How long does this take? You in and out or what?
Right. So the treatment itself only takes an hour or two, but the final results show up about 3 months down the road. You usually start seeing results after about 4 weeks, and you see the peak of the results at 3 months. That's because we're asking the body to do the heavy lifting, to do all the work, so it takes a little bit longer. But the trade-off is no downtime.
Let's look at some before and after pictures so you can get an idea of what cool sculpting can do for you.
So this is an example of that outer thigh treatment. You can see before and after, there's a significant reduction here. Muffin top treatments, I love this picture because this girl's wearing the same jeans and you can see how it affects the way they fit.
Yep.
So another great example there. This lady, I love this picture. I've said it before. She comes in covering her butt in the first one and then she's all in skimpy underwear in the second one. She's very happy with her results. This young lady had a first treatment on her lower belly, and before the results were even done, she decided she was going to go back and treat the rest, and you can see the kind of results she ended up with. So, the people are very happy with the results. We see a 20 to 25% reduction with each treatment. We can treat multiple times if you're a bigger person, you need more reduction, because the treatment itself is very benign. It doesn't cause any scar tissue or anything like that. No permanent change other than loss of fat.
No bruising, no anything like that?
You can get a little bruising. So it uses a suction device. You can get little hickey marks. You can imagine having your fat pulled into a machine for a while, but it's all very short-term side effects that come along with it. A little soreness, a little bit of nerve pain for a couple of weeks, but other than that, very benign. Certainly less so than liposuction or some of the other non-invasives on the market.
And this isn't just for women. Men use this too.
Absolutely. I've done it to myself.
That's a nice job.
Absolutely. Anyone 18 and older, male or female, can benefit from this procedure.
And every patient who comes into John Rick Med Spa will be treated by you.
Absolutely. We are the only place in Charlotte where you can be seen for your consultation, your evaluation, and your treatment all by a physician. Myself.
It's great. You can contact Dr. Jones at John Rick Med Spa. The number is 704-665-0058. 704-665-0058. So call and make an appointment. Also want to let everybody know that Dr. Jones is hosting a cool day at the Brow Lounge in Cornelius. It's next Thursday, February 26th. You can learn more about cool sculpting. There will be package discounts, free evaluations, and a personalized treatment plan by Dr. Jones himself. There are limited spots available. They have one at noon, 3, and 6 p.m., and they'll be offering a $200 signing bonus for anyone who signs up for Cool Sculpting during the event. You need to RSVP if you'd like to attend. 704-661-6700. Again, 704-661-6700, the number to call to RSVP. There are a limited number of seats, so if you're interested at all, call now.
You know, the fact that you've done it too makes it a lot easier for a patient to come in and do it.
Absolutely. I only offer services at my spa that I would use on myself or my family. I've treated my mother, my sister, my friends. So it's safe, it's effective. Definitely should give it a shot. At least come see me.
He's who did my Botox,
That's
right.
which I'm overdue.
It's time for you to come in.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Not a problem.
All right.